up, gang? Welcome back to Lala Eats. You already know what's going on. I got some crab legs here. Y'all, they wasn't supposed to be this small. I bought the same box, but for some reason, these ones were little. They were babies. I don't know how I got the babies, but they had to work because I was already in the process of cooking everything. So we got baby crab today. Ain't nothing wrong with baby crabby. But what's up? How y'all doing? How is y'all Tuesday going? Yes, it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. But yeah, I am having a good Tuesday. It's actually been going very smooth. I've been getting a lot of work done, business taken care of. You know, I gotta do that. Y'all know I be on that. Um, Now I'm just ready to chill. I'm just ready to chill now. But yeah. But let me get to these crab legs because baby crab ain't waiting on nobody. And once again, y'all, I forgot to get I forgot to get what did I forget to get? Oh, a plate to put my trash on. I keep doing that. A lot of y'all inspire me because I don't do nothing but watch YouTube most of my day. Once I'm done, once I'm settled down, I'm not doing anything like that. I get to, oh, this is my chance, YouTube. Cause I learned a lot. I'm really want to be dedicated to this YouTube stuff. Trust me, I do. I Man, baby crab ain't giving me nothing. I watch y'all. I watch most of my these YouTubers because they inspire me to do a good job. Like they give you tips and everything. They make my life a lot easier. This is not that. They make my life a lot easier. Oh, and y'all know I got the Coca-Cola. For y'all that don't know, yeah, Coca-Cola is my drink. But yeah, y'all know, as I talk about a lot, because once I get to blowing up and all of that, I'm gonna be helping other people out. Shoot, they YouTubers helped me out. Why not spread? Why not spread it? I look into a lot of stuff, y'all. Like I really study this stuff because I don't know, I'm excited. That's why I'm always talking to y'all about it because I'm excited, so excited. I'm excited for this journey. Not letting nobody get in the way of this. I really look for a career in this. Like I really do. I'm ready to just be, not having to, clock in every single day, like that's how far I want to get with it. To where I don't have to go into another workplace. Cause so this can, set me financially. I'm ready to give my kids the life that I never had. So I put everything aside. Well, of course, not work. I have to keep working, but I put everything aside so that I can chase my dreams. That's what I call it. It is officially my dream. I don't know how many of y'all are full time parents, but I am a full time mom, like full time. I enjoy it a lot, you know. But it just be like I wouldn't mind staying home. You know, I wouldn't mind my work just being at home. I like I like I like being home with my kids. Like I don't have a problem with that. Some people they I can't stay in here. Not me. But I would not be a stay at home mom because I mean not I would not like how can I put this? Well yeah, stay at home. I can't be a stay at home mom because I have to, you know, get it for myself. Like, you know, like it's cool for my man or whatever to take care of me, but that's just not what that's not how I was raised. I was brought up on do not be no pretty bum. You know, like my mom has always said that, right? My mom was she was a single mom, 3 girls and 1 boy. I've never seen my mom down without nothing. We were never down or anything like that. So yeah, that's a little bit of my history. Okay, John. The humidity outside, I got my hair poofing up. I want to go get my hair done, but got my daughter about to start school. She has to get her hair done, shoes, clothes. You know, fall just started. Listen, we have an agenda of stuff. Mhm. I'm sorry, I don't know why baby crab just tastes better. I got some mussels and shrimp up under here, but I really was going for the crab legs today, but I had some little um had some little that's how these I said mussels, right? Hope I did. But yeah, I had some mussels and some shrimp left, so I'm like, forget it. Throw it in. Shoot. Yeah, I've been editing my my thumbnails all day. When I say I probably literally got done like an hour ago, probably. Sorry, y'all. rig this. Gotta rig it. Sorry, ain't nothing wrong with it. I keep doing the same thing. I don't know why I keep doing that. Hold on, y'all.